Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to move something from a print or from a book or magazine to your sketchbook or A4 paper or whatever you're using without even using tracing paper. So let's get started and do everything step by step. So if you don't have tracing paper, all you need to do is, okay, sometimes you can just trace this one and just draw on top of every line and to get something on your real paper, but sometimes it doesn't work because like it depends on paper and everything, and sometimes you can barely see that and cannot even you cannot do what exactly you want to do. So one of the methods that I normally use is just doing that from the back. Okay, so you just turn it around, and then so today I'm going to copy this one first. So I can barely see the lines and I try to just do this from the back. So just bear in mind it's only if you don't have tracing paper, but if you do, so definitely that's the easiest that you can do. So I can see the line from the back, then I try to just kind of color it with a HB or your pencil, normal pencil. Okay, I think I did everything. And now you turn it around again and try to trace around it. You don't have to do all the details, just the important lines that you need to see after this. So this method is really good for the people who are really interested in drawing but are not really a good drawer. So I mean, maybe it's not a good word actually. So I mean, everyone who can hold a pencil can draw like other people, but some people are, let's say, are more trained and some people are not. Then so remember, practice always makes perfection. But this is anyway, like if someone likes to draw but are not really confident to start from the beginning, so this is the best method that you can always do. So now you can see the lines, not perfectly, but you can see that it's enough to trace on it. So now we don't need this one anymore, and we can see like where is the waistline, hip line, and everything is perfectly visible. So at this stage I'm not going to draw everything again, because like at the same time I'm going to do to draw a garment for this lady as well. So I'll start with the face and hair. So this silhouette is a little bit tiny itself, so it's not even 20 centimeter, but anyway, it's good enough to show what I want to show today, so that's why I'm using it. Okay, so let's think about it, and I'm thinking what to draw today. Okay, I'm not gonna overthink it, and as it's summer, so I'm gonna draw something summerish, and I'll do the first thing comes to my mind. So just be careful to not overthink whenever you're going to draw, and just take it easy, and sometimes the first thing is the best thing that ever comes to your mind, and just bring every ideas into the paper, just simple as this. Okay, so let's say this is the top, and maybe it has a strap as well. So I kind of like it. It's kind of, let's say, freestyle drawing, so without overthinking and just bringing ideas to the paper. Why not? Alright, so I'm imagining that's the top, and she's wearing a mini skirt as well, as it's a very hot day and she doesn't really want to put lots of clothes on. Okay, and it's kind of windy, it's hot and it's windy, so this the skirt is going to this way. I mean, the wind is swinging it. So you see that I don't need the arms anymore. Perfect. Now I need to do legs. Okay, maybe she's wearing the sneakers on. Then let's do the colorful sneakers for her. Perfect. And the other leg. Okay, you see, so without overthinking and without like drawing for hours, in a few minutes we just move this one to the paper without even using tracing paper, and also we're able to do the garments on it just straight away. So that was so quick. Then I'm really enjoying it because it's kind of, that, as I said, it's kind of freestyling, and it's so relaxing and it's nice, and it's really good for any designers, because You can just think in a minute and bring it to the paper in a minute. So I'm so happy with what I just did, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. And just let me know what would you do as a garment if you were me. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to color it with markers, and I'll show you how to do shading with markers and color pencil, and as long as the skin color. So thanks for watching today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion for future's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.